All right, guys, let's go take a look at my creation at nighttime. And this is what it's going to look like. There it is, our graveyard at night. Got the skeletons down there, the lanterns lit up. And we're going to come around here. Some more skeletons at the bottom. This guy moves and talks, but I'm not going to turn him on right now. There's the graveyard. And the lanterns. I don't know if you can see it, crow there. And then you got Sally flying. Looks pretty damn good so far, if I don't say so myself. I'm just saying. There you go, Sally. And then you got the scarecrow overlooking the whole graveyard. His eyes are crazy. You can see he's watching us. Then you got another crow. Little details, fine details. Black roses right here on the graveyard that I did today. And we got spider webs on the fence. And this is what it's going to look like. And then I'm going to put some low-lying fog going through the graveyard on Halloween. I'm going to get that up and running. We got some bones right here. It's Sally flying above us. There she is. This is what it looks like from a different angle. Looks pretty damn good, if I don't say so myself. Our graveyard. Took me a while to get it done, but it's done. It's all done. Wait till this guy on Halloween. When you walk by, he goes on and he says all kinds of crazy stuff. And that's it. I'm just saying, don't forget to subscribe, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to have music, all kinds of crazy stuff going on here on Halloween. I'm just saying.